Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you viewers? I hope all of you fine. Yesterday we read the lesson number 6, the second line and the third line of the lesson number 6. And today inshallah al-Kareem we continue the further and we read the next lines. I hope you watch my video. So are you ready guys? Inshallah we start the line number 4. Firstly we revise the first 3 lines. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nazala, khalaqa, sadaqa, yadaka, balagha, taba'a, ja'ala, fa'ala, nazara, zakara, kasaba, ibili, rusulu, suhufu, thuluthu, sudusu, hurumu, rubu'u. Today inshallah al-Kareem we read the 4th line with spelling. Ha zabar ha, mim zer mi, hami dal zabar da, hamida, kha zabar kha, ta zer ti, hati, fa zabar fa, hatifa, mim zabar ma, lam zer li, mali, kaf zer ki, maliki, ta zabar ta, za zer zi. This is the whistle letter, that's why I'm making some sound. Tazi, dal zer di, tazidi, ta zabar ta, jim zer ji, taji, dal pesh du, tajidu, ya zabar ya, lam zer li, yali, jim pesh ju, yaliju. The next line and the first box. Qaf pesh ku, ta zeti, quti, lam zabala, qutila, sin pesh su, hamza zer I, sui, lam zabala, suila, qaf pesh ku, ra zeri, quri, hamza zabar a, quri'a, qaf zabaqa, mim zabarma, qama, ra zeri, qamari, kaf zerki, ba zabarba, kiba, ra pesh ru, kibaru, ha pesh hu, shin zeshi, hushi, ra zabarra, hushira. I hope so you like my video and inshallah al-Kareem you try to read the same way. So I'm requesting you like, subscribe and press the bell icon my channel. Now take care, we meet the next one tomorrow. Take care. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.